Hey guys, so rule 194 of the rules of acquisition is it is always good business to know about new customers before they walk in the door. Now this is really good in the service industry for people like myself who do web design. So I will occasionally get a call, or someone will they will contact me through because of one of my blogs, or they will basically reach out to me because someone's told them that I provide a good service. So when it comes down to it, the first thing I do is, before I set up a meeting with somebody, I investigate their company and I find all of the weak points in their brand, so that when I go into the to see the customer, I can say, all right, I've seen where some of your weaknesses are. Here are some of your weaknesses. These are the things that I've spotted. Because it's really helpful, because once people know they've got a problem, if you're telling them how you can solve the problem or how they can solve the problem, then this is really, really beneficial, because it means that you can close more deals. Now, I have a very high close rate when it comes to my services because I study my customers. At the moment, it fluctuates between 84 and 87% close rate with businesses. So, and this is really, really good. But that's only because I go out there and I research and I learn. And the thing is, when you're a marketer, you've got to discover a business's pain points. You've got to look at their site, you've got to look at their social media, you've got to understand everything about what they're doing. So you go through everything, you observe, you study, because then you have a much higher chance of selling. And I have been very, very successful because of this. So it is a valuable rule. So always take the time to learn about your customers if it's possible. Now, if you can't do that, there's another way to do it. So what you do is you look at all of your customers, just observe them as they're going about their business. If you run a shop, if you run whatever business you run, you can observe your customers and find out the kind of people who go into your business. There's this beautiful place which I absolutely love in town, and what it does is it sells all of these wonderful things from Asia, Nepal, India, all of these beautiful, beautiful things. I got this and I got this from the store. So when it comes down to it, I look around the store and what do I see? Whenever someone comes in, they are weird hippie types just like me. And I love this because it's great. I've had so many good conversations inside that store. So when it comes down to it, it's like the people who are there at the counter can see the visitors coming in every single day, and they can build their customer model. And once they know their customer model, they know who to market to, because they know the kind of things that people like. It's like, who doesn't like incense? Am I right? Okay, a lot of people don't like incense. That's why we don't all have incense in our houses. But I have incense right next to my door because I love the smell of incense whenever I come home from work. I come home from a hard shift at night. And you know what that makes me think? That makes me think, oh, I need to go back to the store soon and I need to get me some new incense, or I need to get this, I need to get that. So when it comes to that is using scent, that's sensory marketing. So it's like, even selling these products which associate you with the brand, it's really, really good. So that's a sensory marketing effect that is on me every single time I come home, every single time I light an incense, I'm thinking of that store. So when it comes down to it, if they look at the customers and they observe the customers in this way, they're going to be far more successful in business because they're going to know their ideal customer. And if you know your customer before they walk in the door, that is absolute gold. Anyway, hope this has been helpful. Catch you later. Bye.